Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss with another video for API automation testing. So basically, whenever a client gives you a Postman collection or or a API list of APIs or Swagger APIs, so you basically import it to the Postman, and you manually perform pen testing on all the endpoints, API endpoints in that particular collection, right? So there are chances you might miss out some of the security test cases, like missing security headers or weak JWT tokens, etc., etc. So instead, you can also use some automated tools like for API pen testing, like Pint. So this is one of the beautiful tool where it is free, completely free, where you just need to import this particular integrate this particular Pint tool in your Postman collection and perform scanning. So it will check out for all the OWASP top 10 API top 10 vulnerabilities, and it will also give you a beautiful report. Based on that, you can re-verify the false positives and all. So yeah, let's discuss how we can use this particular tool in our API pen testing. So just navigate to pint.io. So after navigating to that, so you just need to click on run in Postman for free. So let me log in to my Postman collection Gmail account. Yeah, here it is. So here you need that particular API token of Postman collection. So I've logged into the web-based Postman collection for Postman application of my account. So here I'll be generating a new token. So let's say pen testing. Okay, so you need to copy this Postman token, and this is only you'll be able to copy it only for one time. So you just make sure to save it somewhere. So paste that token over here and click on submit. So it will integrate this particular Pint tool to the Postman or your Postman application, and all the workspaces and the projects or collections will be loaded in this particular application, Pint application. So here I have three workspaces: team workspace, my workspace, and Ace. So in that in my workspace, I basically have plenty of projects like charged crappy live session, etc., etc. Okay, you can basically select any collection and click on next. So yeah, so here you need to run this particular command. Before this, I just wanted to discuss one thing. So you need to install this Pint Docker locally. So you by using this particular command, you will be able to download the Docker file of Pint, and after that you need to enter the and make sure that that particular container is running successfully. So as you can see over here, this is the Pint container. So this by default it will take the port number called 5001 port number, and make sure it is running. Okay, so after that you just need to copy this command and run it. Okay. Okay, one second. I think it's running already. Yeah. So let's rerun this particular command. Yeah. As you can see, the Docker is currently running. Pine Docker is currently running. So, and you can see over here in the Docker, as you can see, it is up and running. So you now need to go back to the Postman application, desktop application only. This particular Pint will only work on desktop application, not on web application, Postman web applications. Okay, so you just need to, as you can see over here, when you have integrated that particular Pint in this Postman in your Postman collection, right? So Postman tool, right? So here you can see the pint is now successfully, imported in this particular as one of the collection in this, in this Postman. So you just need to create a fork, I mean, of this particular pint. I'm making it as, I have one project called a goat. So let's say goat pint. Okay, so I will be, showing you what are the API endpoints that exist in this particular code API collection. So here I have, there are these are the list of API endpoints that are there in this collection. So here I have, login endpoint, post and get methods, etc., etc. So what I will be doing now here is like, I'll be clicking on this collection and click on this icon there and copy this collection ID and go to the, goat point. You have newly forked this particular point, right? So make sure to go there and go to variables and, just replace the, you know collection ID to whatever collection ID which you want it to scan. Okay, so and make sure to click on save, and you just need to make sure, I mean, rest other options leave it as it is. Only this your collection ID should be changed. Okay, so now you just need to click on run. So and click on run point. So the what Pint will do is like it will check whether the Postman desktop application is the, is using it or not. The test is passed. Okay, so then it will check whether Docker container is running or not. So the test case is passed, and then it will start performing security automated scans on the given Postman collection. Okay, so as you can see, you know, the progress is clearly visible over here. So it will take, ample amount of time based on the amount, list of endpoints you provide to the point. So if it, exceeds more than, 15 to 20 API endpoints, it might take, a little more time to, complete the scans and all. So as this particular collection has only, 7 API endpoints and which might take around, 2 to 3 minutes to complete the scanning. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, the scanning is completed. In the Postman run results, you can see the list of vulnerabilities that are, there in this particular collection. So as we can see, it found that, no SQL injection, JWT hashed without secret, no signature in JWT tokens. Okay, and some, missing security headers, etc., etc. And also not only this, it automatically generates a beautiful pint report of the performed scans. So as you can see, there are 3 endpoints that are there: login, account, and transactions, and 9 errors, which means that, 9 vulnerabilities are there, and 1 warning, which means that medium vulnerability is there. So as you can see over here, so JWT token, uh, no user ID authorization bypass, data leakage in the authorization issue, and JWT no secret, stack trace in responses, no SQL injection, resource rate limiting, and missing security headers. Okay, so this is the, one of the quick and easiest integration tool for performing automated penetration testing. So make sure to use it in your, client APIs or at the time of bug bounty hunting, in order to not to miss out any kind of, vulnerabilities coming from, high critical and to informative severities. So yeah, so I hope you got, how to use this particular tool in your at the time of API pen testing. So yeah, that's it for in this video. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, thank you so much.